Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can prevent accidental application purchases on your iPhone. So to do that, you're just going to press screen time, and then you are going to go to content and privacy restrictions, and then you are going to go to iTunes and App Store purchases. So for instance, if you don't want in-app purchases, you're going to go to allow and press don't allow, so you don't purchase anything from in that application, I guess. But to be even more safe, you're just going to press always require. So when you download an app, it'll require you to type in a password before downloading, so you don't accidentally download or even buy an app on iTunes, on the App Store. That's what I meant. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!